Hi students, this is Rajendra, mathematics faculty. Today I am going to discuss some problems. Yes, next problem. If 7 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta equal to 4, then we have to prove that tan theta it will be equal to 1 by root 3. Now here, whenever a sin square theta plus b cos square theta equal to c if it is given, now here we have to divide with cos square theta. Now here if I divide with cos square theta, 7 sin square theta by cos square theta plus 3 cos square theta by cos square theta equal to 4 by cos square theta. See here, 7 sin square theta by cos square theta, that it will be 7 sin square theta by cos square theta, it should be tan square theta, and here cos square theta it will be gets cancelled, and plus 3 equal to 4 into 1 by cos square theta. 1 by cos square theta it should be secant square theta. 4 into secant square theta. But here we have to find out tan theta. Therefore, we will write secant in terms of tan. Secant square theta it should be 1 plus tan square theta. Therefore, here 7 tan square theta plus 3 equal to 4 into secant square theta. I will write 1 plus tan square theta. Now here 7 tan square theta plus 3 equal to, if I multiply with 4, 4 plus 4 tan square theta. Now here I will bring tan terms to LHS side and constant terms to RHS side. 7 tan square theta minus 4 tan square theta equal to 4 minus 3. Now here 7 tan square theta minus 4 tan square theta, 3 tan square theta. It should be equal to 4 minus 3, 1. Tan square theta equal to 1 by 3. Tan theta it should be equal to plus or minus 1 by root 3. But we have to prove that tan theta it should be equal to 1 by root 3. Therefore, we can take that value, one of the value of tan theta equal to 1 by root 3. Yes. In this diagram, TP and TQ, TQ are the tangents it is given to the circle, and O is the center, and angle POQ, that it will be equal to 110 degrees it is given. Now here what it is given, angle POQ it should be equal to 110 degrees it is given. See here, if TP it will be the tangent, OP it will be the normal. Now here this angle OPT it should be 90 degrees. Angle OPT it should be equal to 90 degrees. Similarly, OQ it will be normal. Now here angle OQT it should be 90 degrees. Angle OQT it should be equal to 90 degrees. But here what he is asking, angle, this angle is asking, angle PTQ is asking. Now here OPTQ it will become say quadrilateral. In a quadrilateral, sum of the angles it will be 360 degrees. Therefore here angle POQ plus angle OPT plus angle OQT plus angle PTQ. It should be equal to 360 degrees. Now here, if I substitute those angles, this will be 110 plus angle OPT, it should be 90 plus angle OQT, it should be 90 plus we have to find out this angle. Angle PTQ, it should be equal to 360 degrees. This will be 110 plus 90, 200, 200 plus 90, that it will be 290 plus angle PTQ, it should be equal to 360. Now here angle PTQ, it should be equal to 360 minus 290. Therefore here angle PTQ, it should be equal to 360 minus 290, it should be 70 degrees. See here, two concentric circles of radii 5 centimeter and 3 centimeters it is given. Now here concentric circles means having the same center. Now here this is the bigger circle of radius 5 and this is the smaller circle of radius 3. Let us suppose center of these two circles. What I am saying? Concentric circles means center should be same. That means center of bigger circle and smaller circle. Let us suppose that it will be equal to C. Now here, see, find the length of the chord of the largest circle, which is touches the smaller circle. The chord of bigger circle, it should be tangent to the smaller circle. Let us suppose we draw the tangent for the smaller circle AB. This is the tangent for smaller circle. Now AB, this will be the chord for the bigger circle. Now here, if I drop the perpendicular from center to this chord, it will bisect the chord. It will bisect the chord. Therefore, AP, it should be equal to PB. AP, it should be equal to PB. Now here, CP, it will be the radius of smaller circle. This will be 3. Now AC, it will be radius of bigger circle, that it will be 5. That means AC, it should be equal to 5 and CP, it should be equal to 3. Now here triangle APC, that it will be a right angle triangle. That it will be a right angle triangle. Therefore here AC square, it should be equal to AP square plus PC square. AC square means that it will be 5 square equal to AP square. We don't know that value, we have to find out that value, plus PC square, that means that it will be 3 square. Now here AP square, it should be equal to 25 minus 9. AP square, it should be equal to 16. AP, that value it will be equal to 4. AP, it will be equal to 4. But here we have to calculate AB value. That means length of the chord of bigger circle is asking. That means AB, it will be equal to AP plus PB. AB, it will be equal to AP plus, but here PB value, it is nothing but AP. Therefore AB, it will be equal to 2 times of AP. Therefore AB value, it will be equal to 2 into AP value. We already find out that it will be 4. Therefore, here AB, the length of the chord of larger circle, it will be equal to 8 centimeter. See here. Here a box contains 12 balls. Total number of balls it will be 12. Out of that, X are black balls. Now here, first what he is asking? Probability that it will be a black ball. Now here, probability of black ball. It should be. Now here, black ball we have to take from X black balls. Therefore, that it will be X by total number of balls, that it will be 12, X by 12. Now here 6 more black balls are added to the box. 6 more black balls are added to the box. Therefore, here total number of balls, it should be equal to 18. 12 plus 6, that should be 18. Now here number of black balls. Initially we are having X black balls. After that we are adding 6 black balls. Therefore here number of black balls, that it will be X plus 6. Now here after adding 6 black balls, probability of black ball. Now here in the box we are having X plus 6 black balls. Now here we have to take a black ball. Out of total number of balls, it will be 18. Therefore here X plus 6 by 18. Now here a relation it is given. Probability of drawing a black ball. When probability of drawing a black ball? After adding 6 black balls. After adding 6 black balls, that it will be equal to double that of its before. Therefore, that it will be X plus 6 by 18. It should be equal to double that of before. That means 2 times of X by 12. 2 times of X by 12. Therefore, here this will be, if I do the calculation, X by 3. Therefore, here X plus 6, it will be equal to 3X. Now here 2X, it will be equal to 6. X, it will be equal to 3. See here. In this, a die is thrown on the board and it will be false interior of the circle. What is the probability that the die it will be land in the shaded region? The die it will be landed in the shaded region. Now here first I want to find out the area of the circle. For that, to find out the area of the circle, we need radius. Now here given, how we can calculate radius? Given AB it will be equal to 8 and AD it will be equal to 6, it is given. Now here BD it will be the diameter. BD it will be the diameter. Why BD it will be the diameter? Now here this is a ABCD, that it will be a rectangle. Therefore this is 90 degrees. Why BD it will be a diameter means angle in a semicircle, it will be 90 degrees. Therefore compulsory BD it should be diameter. Now here I will calculate BD. Therefore this is a right angle triangle ABD, that it will be a right angle triangle. Therefore here BD square equal to AD square plus AB square. BD square it should be equal to AD square means that it will be 6 square plus AB square 8 square. Therefore, here BD square equal to 36 plus 64. Therefore, BD square it should be equal to 100. BD it should be equal to 10. That means diameter it will be equal to 10. Now here see radius of the circle. If diameter is 10, radius it will be 5 units. Radius it will be 5 units. Now here area of the circle, that it will be pi r square. R means radius. Therefore, this will be pi into 5 square. Therefore, here 25 pi. But here what he is asking? It should be in the shaded region. It should be in the die should be on the shaded region. That means area of circle minus area of this rectangle. Area of this circle minus area of this rectangle we will get, that it will be the area of shaded region. Now here area of shaded region, it should be equal to area of circle minus area of rectangle. Now here area of circle we already calculated, that it will be 25 pi minus area of rectangle. Length it is given and breadth it is also it is given. Therefore, that it will be 8 into 6, that it will be 48. Now here the tie should fall on this shaded region. That means what will be the area of that shaded region? 25 pi minus 48. Therefore, here probability that the die will be on the shaded region equal to, that means this area of the shaded region by total area. Area of the shaded region by total area. What is area of the shaded region? That it will be 25 pi minus 48 by total area, that it will be 25 pi. Comment if you are having any doubt. We will discuss few more problems in the next class. Thank you.